Hi everyone, I am Mitu studying in senior SKG. Now I am telling about compound words. Two words combining to form new word. It's got compound words. Foot plus ball. Football. Cup plus cake. Cupcake. Jelly plus fish. Jellyfish. Tooth plus brush. Toothbrush. Line plus bow. Line bow. Basket. Butter plus fight. Butterfly. Basket plus ball. Basketball. Pan plus cake. Pancake. Star plus fish. Starfish.